Hello everybody. Look at my sexy body. Ooh. So, as you're probably aware, I may have done goofed with Reevrend. I may have recorded some episodes, but not actually recorded the gameplay by not putting in my external hard drive, so it wouldn't have anything to record to, so it just didn't record it. As such, I have come back. I made a new character called Reevrend2 to do that which I did in the other episodes again. So let's do it, shall we? As you may have heard if you listened to the Failcast, my Failcast that is, I'm sure other people have done the same thing because it sounds cool. The goal today is to kill the Gaping Dragon. The Gaping Dragon, also known as the Gaping Vag, well, it's just throughout the community. You will see why. If you've not seen the Gaping Dragon, then you will see why when I kill it. Hey, rat, die. Now then, because I'm not using the Black Knight sword in this one, haven't even killed the Black Knight on this guy. Haven't even killed Havel. I mean, that's why I'm kinda naked.
And good day to you.
Love this guy.
I'm Donald of Xena. I'm just,
I know. Now then, sell me this. Because dragons, being dragons, are not particularly good when it comes to the old lightning. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use lightning to slay the dragon. That is correct. I'm gonna be slaying myself a dragon. Can I get down here? I can never remember. Nope, okay. Look at that battle arena though for this dragon fight. Where the fuck's the dragon, you may be saying? It can't come from up there, can it? No. You'll see. You will see, people. Hopefully, I'm not going to be suckish in this, but never know. But it shouldn't be too hard. I did kill Lautrec, by the way, so I do have that ring, hence why there's the yellow thing next to moi. Next to my one humanity thing. But, turns out, if you kill him before you get your reward, you don't get the reward as well, which I'm pretty miffed about. And I was kind of hoping to drop the parrying dagger due to this being a dex build that I decided to go for on this, mostly. Hence why I'm using the Uchi. The Uchi G. Hello there! Can you see why it's called the Gaping Vag? Oh yeah, I forgot. I might need to do a thing. I should probably be alright if I hurry. Yeah. Thanks, Ola. Means a lot. Oh dear. That was bad timing. Now my lightning's probably going to run off before I can chop his tail off. Oh, he's gone immortal again because he's trying to eat Solaire. Stop doing that. It's just so unfair that you can just go immortal. I mean, we're kind of immortal when we roll, but we've got to time that right. You just go immortal for like a minute. So unfair. Where'd he go? Oh dear. Stop doing the jumping thing. I know you like your jumping jacks, but that's besides the point. Let me chop off your tail. Thank you. Fucking dick. Now then, Solaire is kind of getting his ass kicked. Don't know why, he can usually solo this guy. Oh well. Get stabbed. Oh dear. Run! Look at it. It's oh god, it's puking. I'm gonna run away. That puke goes in many places. Oh jeez, it almost reached me. Fucking hell. That is some acidic vomit. Hey, don't come after me. Go after Solaire. He's not dead yet. No, now he is. Fuck. That's not good. especially with the minimum amount of damage I'm doing. I'm gonna need to reactivate my fucking lightning shit. Hello, you gonna slam your face in the floor, yeah? Good. Good. Thanks, bro. Ah, so close. Just need one more lightning hit, and I'll probably kill it. There we go. Boom. Very succinct and efficient. I've got a Survey Corpse from Shingeki no Kyojin, or Attack on Titan. Mug here full of lemonade because I bit my tongue earlier. Well, I say earlier, it was like 2 days ago. But you know what I mean. Anyway, now you get to actually see the grand reveal for fucking Blight Town. Heap of sack that it may be. So yeah, I will go quiet when I do the Blight Town reveal, just so you get the full effect. But I suppose before I go there, I should probably go and level up, because I don't think I'm going to last there till the first bonfire. It's always a worry with Blight Town, because everything just is not good, really. It's just bad. It's just bad. So run over here, climb up the ladder with my sexy body. Sorry. But yeah. Maybe if I get my endurance up, I won't need to have such a sexy body on display. So let's do that. Because I want to save some souls for the Ayato, because I've never really used it, I don't think. But meh. Right, where are they? Where are my tights? There we go. Is that better? No! Oh my god, I still do not have enough. They're the lightest trousers I have and all, aren't they? Yeah. Fuck's sake. I want to wear the gargoyle helm. Why can't I wear the gargoyle helm and still not have to be naked? Anyways, 3.5. Damn it. It's got loads of poise and everything. Oh well, I suppose I'm just gonna have to stop looking cool and be a bit of a conformist. Wonder, can I put on a shirt with this as well? Nah, they all look a bit heavy to me. Oh well. The topless terror shall strike. You may have also noticed the soul arrow. I do have a bit of magic going on in place of the shield, which is what I use to kill Lautrec. That's just like for enemies that do a lot of damage and are faster than me, because this way I don't really have to worry about like dying, because I can just sort of wait till they attack, run away, and then simply just shoot my magical lasers at them. Anyway, welcome to Blight Town. So yeah, nice back here. Wouldn't you agree? It's nicer back here. I would definitely say it's nicer back here. I'm gonna buy some more of that, just because I can. Oh, he only has 3? That's weird. I thought he had more. Anyway, I want to buy the Helm of the Wise, but I also kind of don't, because it's probably not very worth it. Anyway, let's go back here to the nice, well, happy place that is Blight Town. See him down there? To the club? No? Maybe? Either way, you will soon, because he's going to come after me. See? Him. What even is that? I'll tell you right now, I have no idea. Oh man, I was hoping that I would get a bit of knockback there. Hi there, friend. Ah, shite. Told you I wouldn't last very long. Just fall down the eternal drop into, presumably, hell. Let's try that again, shall we? Shame I lost humanity, but I can get that one humanity back. Should I make it there and be able to retrieve my souls. But I also feel that perhaps I won't be able to do that due to the slight factor of my generally not being the best around. I mean, nothing's ever going to get me down, but I've got a rat on my shoulder. No, yeah, I'll probably be able to get the things back. It's just a shame that I had to die. I mean, I didn't have to die. I just rolled further than I expected to. Suppose that's a problem with fast rolls. They actually roll you further. Hey. Bad evil monster. Right, now then, I'm going to try and do this the good way. The skill and tactful way. Just sort of run away from everything, then come down here, and hopefully make this jump. Yeah, did it! Now I have the Ayato. Will I get souls because they fell? I do. Aha! Now I just need to make it to that bonfire. Run! And now, when I rest, there is no going back. Quite literally. Can't toxic me, I'm literally at a bonfire. Oh my god. Better. Though I probably should equip my blooming purple moss clumps. Or clump. Because I don't think I'm going to have that much by the way of toxic resistance. Now again, I probably am going to have to two-hand to kill those guys. Yeah, I can probably two-hand one-shot these guys. No? Oh my god. I do so little damage compared to the other guy. Oh well. Okay, got that down. Speaking of down, I'll come down here. Where do I go now? I can never remember my way around this place. Anyway, speaking of a friend that I spoke of before, I'm not sure whether it was in one of the actual episodes or whether it was in the podcast / failcast. Same thing. Podcast to fail. I'm just going to come back up here. Oh god, that was a good decision by me. Ow, that one apparently not so much. Hello, do you plan on doing anything, sir? Or do you just want to have a chat about our Lord and Saviour? This is quite the chat. I don't like how much damage I've took. / taken. Why are you not dead yet? Why do you have so much health? Or why do I do so little damage? I'm not sure which question is the correct one. Anyway, drop down. Don't worry about that. Come over here. Now then, I need to make it to the next Kingy-mabobba. Hello there, wooden man. Goodbye, wooden man. No blooming? What a shame. Now then, What happens? Aha! Is this how you kill that jammy sod below? I bet it is. I'd completely forgotten how to get to it on my other character. But no, this makes sense. Why did you not fall off the edge? If that was me, I would have fallen off the edge. Don't be eating me, you bastard. Get off. Fucking douchebag. Making me chug a lot. What do you think my name is? Chuggington? Chi, that's a train, I think. Can't say I actually know for sure. I don't like how this thing's literally immortal from the other side. Oh well. Hey. Why is you not taking damage, bruv? Oh, is it not just from the other side that it's immortal? Is it just immortal? No? Okay, good. Bloody hell. Could have at least let me know when the thing's taking damage. Toxic? Why am I toxic? This doesn't seem fair. How come I got a purple moss clump? Where did that come from? Oh well. Guess I'll just have to detoxify. Have a flask. Oh, hello. Did not expect you up here. And slide. Now then. Is it possible? It is. Excellent. Woo! That was close. Far closer than I'd like. Ooh, I got a large club from it. I've never had them drop a large club before. Where's the large club, bro? I want to see what it's like. A strength scaling. Damage reduction from physical, magic, fire, lightning, and whatever the hell stability is. And it does poison. What the hell? That is insane! Then again, those guys are insane to kill, so it's probably quite a rare drop, and it's not really worth farming them. But bloody hell. I'm thinking Reevrend should get one of them. Like, my gosh. Wow, I've got 10k souls. When did that happen? I mean, probably just now. Because I only need another 4k to get 10k, because I had 6k. I can do basic maths. Slide. Come down here. Slide. Now then, somewhere around here, I purposefully fall. It's not here yet, I don't think. How many shots? 1, 2, or 3? It's 2 like that. Gotcha. Now then, whereabouts is the bonfire? I'm not actually sure. I do know there's a poison person over there. So I should probably kill them. I didn't even think I'd get a backstabber against them. Oh well, happy I did. Grab these with the falchion. Now then. Oh god, not those guys. Anything but them. Well, not anything. But you know what I mean. Slide! Ow. Stop being protected by a fucking ladder, douchebags. Maybe I'm not going to do the purposeful fall thing that I usually do. Oh well. So we're going down here, jump off there, which leads to a roll, which leads to another roll, which I got poisoned very quickly there. Oh well, come in here, like that, rest at it just in case I somehow get insta-murdered. Proper humanity. Because I want to kindle this bitch. No, I didn't mean to leave. Whoops. Damn my spam-A's. Ah. Reverse my oloring. What time is it? Eh. I'm actually making good time. Kindle this. Probably want to level up. Just a little bit. Otherwise Mildred's going to come after me. So what's the Ayato like? Obviously it's not as good at the moment. But that's because this one's upgraded to +5. This one I can only just actually use though. But I suppose I should probably get my dex up more anyway. They're basically the same weapon. Oh my god. Okay. In that case, I think what I'm going to do is get up my endurance again. So hopefully I can actually carry something. Like, I can actually wear a shirt, maybe. Probably black leather armor's best. It's not a slow roll, I suppose. Right then, Mildred, where are you? Mildred? There we go. Come back in here. Hopefully the flies will get here much later than Mildred. Or a bit earlier. But no, as usual, they're arriving pretty much at the same time. Just what we don't need. Because the flies are much more annoying than the Mildred. Come on! Stop being a bitch. Just accept your fate and die. Now then, cheesy finish. Ha. Come on, Mildred, drop your shit. Thank you, Mildred. Thanks to humanity and the butcher's knife, probably. Rest up again to get that one thing back. Oh, I can level up again. Yay! Yeah! Boom. Oh, I can level up twice. What is this? Gotta get all that endurance, brah. I wonder if I do this and do that. Do you think that'll be very useful against Quailag? Kind of hoping it is, but probably isn't. Hello there. Just saying, I don't know what Quailag's Fury Sword does, so I might end up going to use that. Also, I'm fairly certain that the Old Iron Ring is meant to stop this shit from happening. But I forgot to equip my... that. Use that. Make sure I'm using the Old Iron Ring. I'm not! That's my problem. Rusted Iron Ring, even. Hello! Right. So, there's a club over there, but I don't want that. It's like a great club. So instead, I guess I'll just come through here. Keep running so I don't get any rocks actually land on me. That would be bad. And come in here. That was bloody close. What? They followed me? That doesn't happen. They're not allowed in here, are they? They won't actually come into Quailag's domain, will they? But will they? surely not. That's scary stuff, man. Scary stuff. I heal up once. Then I suppose I shouldn't need that anymore. But that's equally as good as the Ring of the Evil Eye when doing a boss fight where the boss doesn't summon any enemies. So, come on, Mildred. I'm upset there's not a sign for Solaire here, but I do know why. Let's do this. And you guys can admire the physique of this magnificent spider lady. I'm sure you'd admire the lady part more than the spider, but this is the spider equivalent of a centaur with fire, death, demon power. So yeah, she has very long fingernails, she has a very small belly button, she has boobs, but she has long hair, the mermaid cover it up. So it's alright. Don't know why she's got like a circlet on her arm though, I've never noticed that before. But at least she's happy at the prospect of murdering me. Fucking bitch. I don't like her. I like her sister though, she's alright. Fucking still cruel ass person, but still. Hey, stop coming after me. Why do you think I hired Mildred? No. Don't come after the Reevrend2, go after the Mildred. I'll just hang back doing 20 sets of 20 damage. So that's 200, I can do 600 damage with these. Stop coming after me, you fucking crazy bitch! Mildred, where are you and what are you doing? Oh god, I'm in a corner. That is not a place I want to be. Mildred, do some damage, perhaps. Fuck's sake, Mildred. You suck. Ow. Go, Mildred. And by go, I don't mean just get your ass kicked, which is what you're currently doing. Jesus, Mildred, you're meant to be good in this fight. Stop coming after me, Quaylag. I bought you a woman to kill. Stop being sexist. Well, I don't want you to kill her, really. I would prefer it if she killed you. Stop being a sexist bastard, though. You know? Just because your mother invented pyromancy does not mean that you have the right to go about with your fire spider trying to kill men. You have a brother, for God's sake. Ah! I don't want a spider landing on me. In other news, however, apparently there is a spider in real life that is now amphibious. If that isn't scary, I do not know what is. You don't want amphibious spiders up in here. Mildred, get on it. Quaylag, stop looking at me and look at Mildred. Thank you. Mildred, stop getting stunned and generally dying in lava. It's not exactly the best tactic when you're fighting a giant fire spider. Or when you're fighting anything, really. Not the best, are you, Mildred? Definitely not the best. I don't know if lightning's actually much use against the Chaos Witch Quaylag, but if it is, that's why I'm using it. Ah, look at that! I was so close! and yet so far! I entirely blame Mildred. Anyway, now you guys know what you have to look forward to in the next Dark Souls / Sniffle Souls episode, which will be episode 10, version 2. So obviously version 1 was the one where it didn't properly record. My name hath been James. Your name hath been whatever the hell you are called. Again, I apologise for the error of my ways, and I will probably go back to Reevrend after I've caught up with Reevrend on this character, so you don't miss any of the dramatic boss fights or reveals. So, I guess you had to probably enjoyed this. If you have, feel free to like and favourite and share and subscribe so you can then get more content from moi. And I will see you on the flip-flop. Goodbye.